Hi there, it's Amela with WTI, and today I'm gonna show you the moisturizer that I like to use every single day. This is the AQUATOP Cream. So this cream is one of the best moisturizers I've ever had and used. I've been using it for 3 years and I love it so much. I use it every single day. In the morning after washing my face and at night before I go to sleep. I apply it all over my face and neck. My skin is very dry and this cream moisturizes it very well. After applying the AquaTop, the skin on my face feels fresh and soft. It has a good size, which is great because it lasts long and fits in my travel bag if needed. So if you're looking for the perfect moisturizer for your face and neck, I highly recommend this one. This is the AquaTop Cream. I love it so much. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.